Are you truly the master of your fate, or merely a puppet dancing to the tune of your genes? For centuries, we have been told that our genetic code is an immutable blueprint, dictating everything from our physical traits to our predispositions toward certain diseases. This belief in genetic determinism has seeped into our collective consciousness, making us feel powerless against the dictates of our DNA. However, our consciousness and choices can influence genetic expression, empowering us to rewrite our own biological scripts. This radical idea not only upends traditional views of biology, but also offers profound implications for how we live our lives. The belief in genetic determinism has deep roots, tracing back to the rise of Darwinian-based scientism in the 19th century. This perspective viewed genes as fixed codes, preordaining our physical and psychological characteristics. It painted a deterministic picture of human existence, where free will and personal agency were relegated to mere illusions. This narrative was further cemented by the discovery of DNA in the mid-20th century, which was hailed as the Book of Life, containing all the instructions needed to build and operate a human being. Consider the case of Liz Murray, who rose from homelessness to graduate from Harvard. Liz was born into a family plagued by drug addiction and poverty. Statistically, her genetic and environmental circumstances seemed to doom her to the same fate. Yet, through sheer willpower and a belief in her potential, she transformed her life. Liz's story defies the deterministic narrative, illustrating that our choices and beliefs can override genetic predispositions. This view of genes as deterministic codes is fundamentally flawed. Genes are not rigid blueprints, but dynamic entities that can be turned on or off by various environmental factors. They provide tendencies for expression, not immutable outcomes. The Human Genome Project, which aimed to map all human genes, revealed that humans have far fewer genes than expected, and the complexity of life arises from how these genes interact with each other and the environment. This understanding shifts the focus from a fixed genetic destiny to a more fluid interplay between genes and life experiences. Believing in genetic determinism can have profound psychological impacts. It can lead to fatalism, where individuals feel helpless to change their circumstances. This mindset can affect life choices, mental health, and overall well-being. By accepting that genes merely set the stage and that our actions and thoughts can influence genetic expression, we reclaim our power to shape our destinies. The deterministic view can also influence societal attitudes and policies. If society views certain traits as unchangeable and genetically preordained, it can lead to stigmatization and discrimination against individuals perceived as genetically inferior. This can affect access to healthcare, employment opportunities, and social mobility. Challenging genetic determinism is not just about personal empowerment. It's about fostering a more equitable and inclusive society. Recent scientific research suggests that our consciousness, our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can influence genetic tendencies. This concept, though revolutionary, is supported by an increasing body of evidence. For instance, studies have shown that meditation and mindfulness practices can lead to changes in gene expression related to stress and inflammation. Dean Ornish, a renowned physician and researcher, conducted a groundbreaking study on patients with severe coronary artery disease. Instead of opting for invasive surgeries, these patients underwent comprehensive lifestyle changes, including diet, exercise, stress management, and social support. Remarkably, not only did their heart disease improve, but there were also significant changes in their genetic expression. Genes associated with disease were downregulated, while those promoting health were upregulated. This study highlights the transformative power of consciousness and lifestyle in altering genetic code. Take the example of Lissa Rankin, a physician who turned to mind-body medicine after conventional treatments failed her. She combined scientific research with holistic practices to heal herself from a range of chronic conditions. Her journey led her to understand that our thoughts, beliefs, and emotional well-being profoundly affect our physical health. Rankin's work underscores the potential for conscious living to reprogram genetic expression. Studies on meditation have shown that even short-term meditation can influence gene expression. A study published in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology found that after just 8 hours of mindfulness meditation, practitioners exhibited changes in the expression of genes involved in inflammation. This suggests that our mental practices can have immediate and measurable impacts on our biological processes. Research by Dr. Herbert Benson, a pioneer in mind-body medicine, has demonstrated the effectiveness of the relaxation response, a state of deep rest achieved through practices like meditation and yoga. Benson studies indicate that invoking the relaxation response can counteract the harmful effects of stress, thereby altering gene expression associated with inflammation, metabolism, and insulin production. This reinforces the notion that our mental and emotional states can directly influence our physical health at a genetic level. The idea that our thoughts and behaviors can influence our genes opens up new possibilities for personal transformation. It suggests that we are not mere victims of our genetic inheritance, but active participants in shaping our biological destiny. By cultivating positive mental habits and making healthy lifestyle choices, we can rewire our genetic code to promote health and well-being. Our bodies are in a constant state of flux, with cells continually dying and being replaced by new ones. This process of cellular regeneration is a testament to the body's remarkable capacity for renewal and healing. Every 7 to 10 years, most of the cells in our bodies are replaced, offering a continual opportunity for rejuvenation and transformation. Consider the case of Joe Dispenza, a chiropractor who overcame a devastating spinal injury. After being hit by an SUV during a triathlon, Dispenza was told he might never walk again. Refusing surgery, he focused on the power of his mind to heal his body. Through intense meditation and visualization techniques, he not only walked again, but became a leading advocate for the mind-body connection in healing. Dispenza's experience illustrates how the mind's influence on cellular processes can lead to profound changes in health and well-being. The biological process of cellular replacement underscores the potential for reprogramming cells to achieve lasting positive results. By fostering a positive mental state, we can create a conducive environment for healthy cellular regeneration. This idea is supported by experts in cellular biology and epigenetics, who emphasize the importance of mental state in cellular health. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a pioneering cell biologist, has extensively studied the connection between consciousness and cellular function. His research indicates that our beliefs and perceptions can directly influence cellular behavior, impacting everything from immune response to tissue repair. Lipton's work highlights the interplay between mind and body, suggesting that by changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can influence our cellular environment and promote health. The concept of cellular memory suggests that our cells retain information from our experiences and emotional states. Research in this area is still emerging, but preliminary findings indicate that cellular memory could play a role in how we heal and regenerate. By consciously fostering positive experiences and emotional states, we can potentially enhance the regenerative capabilities of our cells, leading to better health outcomes. An inspiring example of this process can be found in the work of Dr. Kelly Turner, who has studied cases of radical remission in cancer patients. Turner found that many patients who experienced unexpected recoveries had made significant lifestyle changes, including adopting positive mental attitudes, engaging in regular physical activity, and maintaining strong social connections. These changes appeared to influence their body's ability to heal and regenerate, suggesting that our mental and emotional states can significantly impact our cellular health. The field of epigenetics has revolutionized our understanding of gene expression. Epigenetics refers to changes in gene activity that do not involve alterations to the genetic code itself, but are instead influenced by environmental factors, including our thoughts and behaviors. This emerging science has shown that our experiences can leave lasting marks on our DNA, affecting how genes are expressed. A powerful anecdote from a study published in BMC Psychology illustrates the impact of mindset on stress and gene expression. Participants were taught to adopt a growth mindset, viewing stress as a challenge rather than a threat. Over time, those with a growth mindset showed reduced levels of stress-related gene expression compared to those with a fixed mindset. This study underscores the dynamic feedback loop between genes and lifestyle, demonstrating how our mental state can influence genetic activity. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, a Nobel laureate, has conducted extensive research on telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that play a crucial role in aging and disease. Blackburn's studies have shown that lifestyle factors, such as chronic stress, can shorten telomeres, leading to accelerated aging and increased disease risk. Conversely, positive lifestyle changes, including stress reduction and healthy habits, can lengthen telomeres, promoting longevity and health. Blackburn's research provides compelling evidence of the impact of our thoughts and behaviors on genetic expression. Case studies further highlight the transformative power of epigenetics. For example, research on identical twins who share the same genetic makeup has revealed that their gene expression can diverge significantly over time due to differences in lifestyle and environmental exposures. These findings challenge the notion of genetic determinism, illustrating that our genes are not our destiny, but are shaped by our experiences and choices. Research by Dr. Dean Ornish has shown that comprehensive lifestyle changes can lead to significant epigenetic changes. In a study on prostate cancer patients, Ornish and his team found that a plant-based diet, regular exercise, stress management, and social support led to changes in gene expression that were associated with tumor suppression. This study demonstrates that even serious health conditions can be influenced by our lifestyle choices, underscoring the power of epigenetics in disease prevention and management. Dr. Moshe Sif, a pioneer in the field of behavioral epigenetics, has conducted studies showing that early life experiences can lead to epigenetic changes that affect stress response and behavior later in life. Sif's research on rodents found that pups raised by nurturing mothers had different epigenetic markers compared to those raised by less attentive mothers. These differences influence the pup's stress responses and behaviors into adulthood. This research suggests that our environment and experiences can leave lasting imprints on our genes, affecting our health and behavior across the lifespan. The connection between mindset and physical health is profound, supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. Our thoughts and beliefs can influence our physiology, affecting everything from immune function to hormonal balance. This mind-body connection offers a powerful tool for transforming our health and well-being. Consider the story of Dr. Terry Walls, a physician who was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Despite receiving the best medical treatments available, her condition deteriorated to the point where she was confined to a wheelchair. Refusing to accept this fate, Dr. Walls researched dietary and lifestyle changes that could help her condition. She developed the Walls Protocol, a diet rich in nutrients essential for brain health, and combined it with physical therapy and electrical stimulation. Remarkably, she went from being wheelchair-bound to riding her bike to work. Her recovery highlights the potential for mindset and lifestyle changes to facilitate physical healing and transformation. Scientific studies support the idea that a positive mindset can lead to tangible health benefits. Research on the placebo effect, for example, demonstrates how belief in a treatment's efficacy can trigger real physiological changes. Patients who believe they are receiving effective treatment often experience improvements, even when given a placebo. This phenomenon highlights the influence of the mind on the body and the potential for positive thinking to enhance health outcomes. A study published in Health Psychology found that individuals with a positive outlook on aging lived an average of 7.5 years longer than those with a negative outlook. This study suggests that our attitudes toward life can have a profound impact on our longevity and overall health. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can enhance our resilience and promote better health outcomes. Practical tips for cultivating a positive mindset include mindfulness practices, gratitude exercises, and cognitive behavioral techniques. Mindfulness meditation, for instance, has been shown to reduce stress, enhance emotional well-being, and improve immune function. Gratitude exercises, such as keeping a daily gratitude journal, can shift focus from negative to positive aspects of life, fostering a more optimistic outlook. Cognitive behavioral techniques help reframe negative thoughts, promoting healthier mental habits and emotional resilience. The practice of visualization, where individuals mentally rehearse positive outcomes and goals, has been shown to influence physical and psychological states. Athletes often use visualization to enhance performance, and this technique can be applied to various aspects of life, including health and wellness. By vividly imagining successful outcomes, we can align our mental and emotional states with our goals, potentially influencing our genetic responses and overall health. By harnessing the power of mindset, individuals can influence their genetic responses and improve their overall health. This approach emphasizes the importance of mental habits and positive thinking in achieving physical and mental transformation. It empowers individuals to take control of their health and well-being, leveraging the mind-body connection to create lasting change. The choices we make today can have a profound impact on our genetic activity and overall health. Epigenetics shows that our lifestyle and environmental exposures can influence gene expression, highlighting the importance of conscious decision-making in shaping our genetic destiny. Consider the journey of Dr. Dean Ornish's patients, who transformed their lives through intentional, positive choices. Faced with severe coronary artery disease, these patients opted for a comprehensive lifestyle program that included a plant-based diet, regular exercise, stress management, and social support. Over time, these lifestyle changes not only improved their physical health, but also influenced their genetic expression, reducing their risk of heart disease. Dr. Ornish's research provides compelling evidence of the power of present and future choices in shaping our genetic destiny. Empowering individuals with the knowledge that they can influence their genetic expression through intentional, positive choices is a powerful message. It challenges the notion of genetic determinism and emphasizes personal agency in health and well-being. By making conscious decisions to adopt healthy habits, individuals can promote beneficial genetic responses and improve their overall quality of life. It's essential to recognize that genetic expression is a continuous process influenced by our daily habits. This means that even small incremental changes in our lifestyle can lead to significant long-term benefits. For instance, incorporating just 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation into your daily routine can reduce stress and improve emotional resilience, which in turn can positively influence gene expression related to inflammation and immune function. Understanding the role of social connections in genetic expression is crucial. Studies have shown that strong social bonds can lead to longer telomeres, which are associated with longevity and better health. By fostering meaningful relationships and building a supportive community, individuals can create an environment that promotes positive genetic expression. Environmental factors such as exposure to toxins also play a significant role in genetic expression. Avoiding pollutants, eating organic when possible, and reducing exposure to harmful chemicals can contribute to healthier gene activity. Proactive steps like these ensure that the genes promoting health and longevity are favored over those linked to disease. By following these steps, individuals can take proactive measures to influence their genetic expression and improve their health. This approach underscores the importance of daily habits and lifestyle choices in shaping our biological destiny. In summary, the interplay between genetic expression and consciousness reveals that we are not bound by our genes. The fallacy of genetic determinism has been debunked by the latest scientific research, which shows that our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors can influence gene activity. From the power of consciousness in rewriting genetic code to the body's natural cellular regeneration system, we have the ability to shape our genetic destiny. Epigenetics further demonstrates how our experiences and choices impact gene expression, emphasizing the dynamic relationship between mind and body. As you navigate your journey, remember that you hold the power to influence your genetic expression. By adopting a positive mindset, making conscious lifestyle choices, and embracing the potential for personal transformation, you can take control of your health and well-being. Share your transformative stories and inspire others to explore the profound connection between consciousness and genetics. Your journey is a testament to the remarkable potential within each of us to shape our biological destiny through the power of positive thinking and conscious choices.